All natural mouth rinse recipes. Bad breath is an oral health problem that can be a sign of infection, tooth or gum disease, and even problems in the digestive system. However, in a few cases its source can be traced to the tongue, which is a fundamental part of the mouth and starts the first steps in the digestion process. It's also a good place for bacteria to accumulate. Bacterial growth on the tongue can lead to chronic bad breath and other oral problems that can reduce your quality of life or cause problems socially. For this reason, it's really important to develop proper hygiene and use disinfecting agents beyond those that come with normal daily brushing. Keep reading to discover all natural mouth rinse recipes. What is the best way to disinfect the tongue? For a cleaner mouth and tongue free from bacteria, you're going to need the following: 1 clean toothbrush, toothpaste, 1 tongue scraper, mouthwash. Instructions. Put a little toothpaste on the toothbrush and start brushing your tongue from front to back. Rinse using warm water. Take the tongue scraper and use it to remove any remaining white residue. The correct way to do it is scrape it across the tongue from front to back using light pressure. To finish, clean your mouth with an antibacterial mouth rinse for 1 to 2 minutes. This last product will eliminate any microscopic germs that remain after the last 2 steps. You can find it in the store in different formulations, or you can choose to use natural ingredients to make your own at home. 1. Baking soda natural mouth rinse. Baking soda is a powerful ally for oral hygiene because it helps disinfect the mouth and neutralize bad odors. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3 drops mint essential oil. Directions: combine all the ingredients in a glass bottle and shake to mix well. Swish around the mouth several times, then spit out the liquid. 2. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar has a natural disinfecting action that helps combat different types of microorganisms. This simple rinse leaves the mouth clean and eliminates the odors that cause bad breath. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Directions: combine the 2 ingredients in a bottle and use the liquid as a rinse after brushing. 3. Parsley and clove rinse. An infusion of parsley combined with cloves can help neutralize bad breath and bacteria in the mouth. Ingredients: 1/2 cup water, 1 sprig parsley, 3 whole cloves. Directions: boil the sprig of parsley with 3 whole cloves in 1/2 cup of water. Let cool, strain, and then use the liquid as a mouth rinse. 4, hydrogen peroxide rinse. This mouth rinse disinfects the mouth and has a whitening effect that helps remove yellow stains from teeth. Ingredients: 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 3 parts water. Directions: mix both ingredients and use as the final step in your oral hygiene routine. 5. Antiseptic mouth rinse. The recipe for this natural mouth rinse combines several ingredients with antiseptic, antibiotic and refreshing properties to make cleaning the tongue, gums and teeth easier. Ingredients: 2/3 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon vegetable glycerin, 15 grams powdered myrrh gum, antiseptic, 5 drops cinnamon essential oil, 5 drops clove essential oil. Directions: incorporate all the ingredients into a clean glass bottle and shake to mix well. Use just enough to swish around the mouth, then spit it out. 6. Mint rinse. Mint possesses antibacterial and disinfecting properties that help slow the growth of bacteria in the mouth. The best part is that its refreshing fragrance will freshen the mouth and leave it smelling great. Ingredients: 5 mint leaves, 1/2 cup water. Directions: prepare an infusion with the mint leaves and water. Let cool, then use the resulting liquid to rinse your mouth after brushing your teeth.